Welcome to this session on Domain 4, Data Security and Governance for the AWS Certified Data Engineer Associate Exam. In this segment, we will explore the essential aspects of securing data, ensuring compliance and governing data access and usage within AWS environments, understanding data security. Data security encompasses the strategies, practices, and technologies used to protect data from unauthorized access, breaches, and loss. In the context of data engineering, security must be integrated at every stage of data handling, from ingestion to storage, processing, and access. Effective security measures not only protect sensitive information, but also ensure compliance with industry regulations and standards. In AWS, various services and features help implement robust security practices tailored to your data security needs. Understanding how these components work together is crucial for safeguarding data in the cloud. Key security concepts: Identity and Access Management (IAM). AWS IAM allows you to control access to AWS services and resources securely. You can create and manage AWS users and groups and define permissions using IAM policies. Implement the principle of least privilege by granting only the necessary permissions for users to perform their jobs. Regularly review IAM policies and user access to maintain tight control. Data encryption. Data encryption is fundamental for protecting sensitive information. AWS provides several methods to encrypt data at rest and in transit. Use AWS KMS key management service to manage encryption keys. With KMS, you can create, rotate, and control access to your encryption keys securely. Enable encryption on Amazon S3, RDS, and EBS volumes to automatically encrypt data at rest. For data in transit, use SSL/TLS to encrypt data being transmitted over networks. Network security. Implement network security measures to protect your data from unauthorized access. Use Amazon VPC Virtual Private Cloud to create isolated network environments for your AWS resources. Set up security groups and network ACLs, access control lists, to control inbound and outbound traffic to your resources. These measures help ensure that only trusted entities can access sensitive data. AWS CloudTrail and CloudWatch. Use AWS CloudTrail to log and monitor API calls across your AWS environment. CloudTrail provides insights into who accessed what and helps in tracking potential security issues or unauthorized access. Amazon CloudWatch allows you to monitor resource utilization and operational performance. Set up alarms for suspicious activity or operational issues that may indicate a security breach. Data governance practices. Data classification. Classifying data based on its sensitivity and usage helps define appropriate security measures. Implement a data classification scheme to differentiate between public, internal, and sensitive data. This classification informs access controls and encryption requirements, ensuring that sensitive data is adequately protected. Compliance and auditing. Ensure compliance with the regulations such as GDPR, HIPAA, and CCPA by understanding the requirements and implementing appropriate controls. Use AWS services like AWS Config to assess, audit, and evaluate the configurations of your AWS resources. This helps ensure compliance with the internal policies and external regulations. Data lifecycle management. Implement policies for data retention, archiving, and deletion based on your organization's compliance requirements. Use S3 lifecycle policies to automate the transition of data between storage classes or to delete data that is no longer needed. Regularly review and update data governance policies to reflect regulatory changes and evolving business needs. Monitoring and incident response. Establish a monitoring strategy that includes keeping track of access patterns, unusual activities, and data anomalies. Use CloudWatch and third-party SIEM tools for enhanced visibility. Create an incident response plan detailing how to respond to security breaches, including identification, containment, eradication, and recovery processes. Conclusion and in summary, Domain 4, Data Security and Governance, emphasizes the importance of protecting data throughout its life cycle while ensuring compliance with regulations and governance policies. By leveraging AWS services and implementing best practices, you can build a secure and compliant data environment. Thank you for participating in this session and best of luck with your preparation for the AWS Certified Data Engineer Associate exam.